Hi, welcome to Nibblebop. Today, we are exploring a fascinating literary concept, magic realism. But what exactly is it? Magic realism is a genre where magical elements exist naturally within a realistic setting. The magic isn't treated as extraordinary. Instead, it's seamlessly woven into the fabric of everyday life. Think of it as a lens through which the ordinary becomes extraordinary. For example, in Gabriel Garcia Marquez's 100 Years of Solitude, a character ascends to heaven while hanging out laundry. Nobody finds this strange. It's just another part of life. So, what defines magic realism? Blend of reality and magic. The magical is treated as normal without any explanation or surprise. Subtle matter of fact tone, the narrative doesn't highlight the magical elements. Then you have cultural and social roots. It often reflects the folklore, myths, and traditions of a specific region, especially in Latin American literature. You also have emotional truth over logical reality. Magic realism focuses more on the emotional resonance of events rather than their logical plausibility. A great example is Isabel Allende's The House of the Spirits, where characters experience visions and communicate with spirits as part of their everyday lives. The term originally came from art. It was first used by German art critic Franz Roh in the 1920s to describe paintings that blended reality with dreamlike qualities. In literature, the genre flourished in Latin America during the mid 20th century thanks to the boom generation of writers like Garcia Marquez, Julio Cortázar, and Jorge Luis Borges. Why does magic realism matter? It challenges our perception of reality. It allows writers to explore deep truths about human experiences, grief, love, identity through magical metaphors. It also serves as a powerful tool for cultural storytelling, connecting modern narratives with ancient myths and folklore. For example, Salman Rushdie's Midnight Children uses magic realism to reflect India's complex history and cultural identity. So, that's magic realism, a genre where the mundane meets the mystical and the everyday becomes extraordinary. Next time you encounter a story with surreal elements that feel completely natural, you will know you are reading magic realism. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Nibble Pop for more literary insights. Have a magical day.